बच्चों, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. So let's take the new topic, phases of the earliest society 2. So now let's proceed further बच्चों. Around 12,000 years ago, major changes started occurring in the climate of the world. With a shift to relatively warm conditions in many areas, this led to the development of grasslands. This in turn led to an increase in the number of deer, antelopes, goats, sheep and cattle, that is animals and that survived on grass. Those who hunted these animals now followed them, learning about their food habits and their breeding seasons. It is likely that this helped man to start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. Fishing also became इम्पोर्टेंट. तो धीरे धीरे इंसान ने इन सब के बारे में जानना सीखा कि कैसे इन्हें पाल सकते हैं, इनकी फूड हैबिट्स क्या है, और फिशिंग को भी उन्होंने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस दी. And development during this period, many new developments during this time changed the course of life of the early humans. Humans produce food. The change from food gathering to food producing was not abrupt. It grew gradually. मतलब पहले वो खाने की खोज में इधर से उधर भटका करते थे, लेकिन अब वो प्रोड्यूस करने लग गए, भोजन, फसलें उगाने लग गए. तो ये धीरे 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 बढ़ता गया. Man harvested the food grains which grew wild in some regions. He had no idea that grain could be planted. पहले तो उन्हें पता ही नहीं था. Perhaps one day someone observed that grain swept from the threshing and deposited on the dung heap sprouted and in course of time produced golden grain. This was the beginning of agriculture that required a settled life for closely watching the plants to grow. Agriculture thus paved the way of settled life and man became a food producer instead of a food gatherer. So now agriculture brought about many changes in the life of early man. There was a great change in food habits. So he also started making cloth of cotton that he cultivated. सो धीरे धीरे उनकी खाने की आदतें चेंज होने लगी. अब वो खाना इकट्ठा नहीं करते थे, खाने को उन्होंने उगाना शुरू कर दिया था. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे उन्होंने कपड़ा बनाना शुरू कर दिया. कॉटन से जब कॉटन प्रोड्यूस होने लगी तो उन्होंने कॉटन से कपड़ा बुनना शुरू कर दिया. ह्यूमन्स domesticate animals. Man began domesticating animals which were useful to him. For example, dog for security, cattle for milk and meat, sheep and goat for wool and milk, and horse, bulls and camels for draught purposes. So cow dung provided him manure. तो उससे काव के जो गोबर होता था उससे उन्हें खाद भी मिल जाती थी, और इन सबको उन्होंने अपने उनको पालना शुरू कर दिया. डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल, डोमेस्टिकेटिंग उसकी फॉर्म में उन्होंने उनको रखना शुरू कर दिया अपने यूज़ के लिए. Did you know domestication is the name given to the process in which man loves farm, living and doing jobs and grow plants and look after animals? Dog was the first animal to be domesticated by man, and domestication was a gradual process that took place in many parts of the world. So सोचो dog कितना पहले से इंसान की रक्षा करता हुआ आ रहा है ना? Okay, it began about 12,000 years ago. Virtually all the plant and animals produced that we use as food today is a result of domestication. Some of the earliest plants to be domesticated were wheat and barley. The earliest domesticated animals include sheep and goat. Humans invent the wheel. The invention of the wheel in the Neolithic period was a major achievement that brought about revolutionary changes in the life of man. The potter's wheel must have made pottery a specialized craft. The next use of wheel was for drawing a cart, and the animal-driven wheeled cart made transportation much easy. So पहले इसको एक क्राफ्ट के लिए यूज़ किया गया, फिर उसको जो उसके व्हील बने तो उसको कार्ट को खींचने के लिए, यानी जो उन्होंने बनाया था अपना कार्ट, उसको खींचने के लिए यूज़ किया गया. धीरे धीरे वो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में यूज़ होना शुरू हो गया, आने जाने के साधन के लिए. Let's do it. Wheel has undergone a drastic transformation over the years, and you can't think of so many things without wheels now. सोच भी नहीं सकते हम, अगर पहिया नहीं है तो आने जाने का साधन ही खत्म हो जाएगा, राइट? मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ व्हाट हैव व्हील्स. सोचिए. ह्यूमंस लर्न मेकिंग पोट्री. मैन नीडेड वेसल्स टू स्टोर फूड grains and cook food. So he made baskets of straw and twigs to store fruits and dried things. Later these were pasted with mud to hold liquids. The potter's wheel facilitated the making of earthwares and earthenwares के लिए उन्हें जो मिट्टी के जो pots होते थे वो बनाने के लिए of different types. Later he started making baked pottery, ताकि वो कच्चे तो टूट जाते थे ना, तो उन्हें बेक करना शुरू कर दिया. Humans make useful tools and weapons. The Neolithic tools and weapons were more improved than the earlier Paleolithic ones, and they were also more useful, more skillful, stronger and sharper than before. तो पहले से ज़्यादा नुकीले होने शुरू हो गए, थोड़े पावरफुल होने शुरू हो गए, है ना. Man polished his tools to make them last longer. Polished stone implements made of fine grained stone was an important tool of this age. It could be used as an axe or for clearing forests and as a hoe to till the land. It was also used to cut and shape timber, which led to the growth of carpentry. The knowledge of carpentry was used for making plugs, wheels, plank boards and wooden houses. Sickle was another important tool of the Neolithic age, and it was used to cut and gather the crop. So the bow and arrow used in hunting were made sharper. The Neolithic man also started making use of bone and antler for making tools like needles and harpoons. He also made stone hammers. Did you know? The tools and implements of Neolithic age were discovered by Le Mesurier in Uttar Pradesh in 1860, and later on Fresher discovered such objects in Bellary, Karnataka, while Krishnan found some polished tools of this age in Mysore. Beginning of the settled life. Man was no longer a wanderer or a cave or tree dweller. Agriculture paved the way for settled life. Man began living in mud houses made of wooden posts with thatched roofs. Domestication of animals required him to move in search of pastures of his herds, and dog was his faithful friend and guided his herds of cattle and his herd. तो जो झोपड़ियाँ बनाई हैं, जो उन्होंने पशु रखे हैं उनकी देखभाल के लिए, तो उनके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स कौन थे? डॉग्स थे. वेरी गुड. द अर्ली विलेजेस डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल्स रिक्वायर्ड दैट मैन सेटल्ड हिमसेल्फ एट अ प्लेस, जनरली बाय द रिवर साइड और नियर अ लेक. क्यों सेटल किया? नियर अ लेक मतलब झील के पास या फिर नदियों के पास वो सेटल होना शुरू हो गए. ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल बिगेन सेटिंग अप एट अ प्लेस वेयर दे कुड लुक आफ्टर देयर क्रॉप्स, क्योंकि फसलें उगाने शुरू कर दी थी, है ना, और पानी की शॉर्टेज ना हो, इसलिए वो वहीं पास में उन्होंने अपनी खेती बाड़ी को देखने के लिए वहाँ पे सेटल होना शुरू कर दिया. एंड टेम एनिमल्स. As a result, several villages consisting of number of herds were settled. The village was generally built on a high ground to keep it safe from floods. अब बाढ़ तो आती थी जब नदियों में पानी भर जाता था, तो उन्होंने थोड़ा सा ज़मीन से ऊंचा उठ के अपनी झोपड़ियाँ बनानी शुरू कर दी. And it was surrounded by a mud wall or thick hedge to protect it from wild beasts. Right? Society. The eldest or strongest and ablest person was the leader of the community. He made rules and regulation which were obeyed by others. तब भी rules regulation बनते थे बच्चों पुराने टाइम में. With a settled life, man had ample leisure time, and while some men took to hunting, plugging or grazing animals, others made tools, weapons, ornaments, yet others worked as porters and weavers, and women looked after home and children. तो सबका काम बट गया, कुछ को ये मिला, कुछ को ये मिला, और जो घर के औरतें होती थी वो बच्चों को देखती थी और घर का काम करती थी. Religion. Neolithic man worshipped earth, water, फायर एंड नेचुरल एलिमेंट्स लाइक द सन, रेन एंड थंडर, इन सब की पूजा किया करता था. Soil was regarded as a life giver and he worshipped cow for the bounty it provided and snake out of fear. He began to bury his dead. उसने जो मतलब जो भी डेड को उसने दबाना शुरू कर दिया. एंड burial places were marked with huge rectangular blocks of stone called megaliths. The dead were buried sometimes in a large urn and with the objects which they used to or loved during their lifetime. Their tombs were known as dolmens, and Neolithic men believed in life after death or rebirth. उन्हें भी ये विश्वास था पुनर्जन्म में. Entertainment and recreation. Hunting was an important activity. In the evening, people gathered around the village fire and they created music with the help of bone, bamboo, reed pipes and drums made of animal skin. Men and women danced on the rhythms of music. तो पहले भी नाच गाना हुआ करता था बच्चों हड्डियों से, और जो उनके ड्रम्स वगैरह हुआ करते थे, पाइप्स हुआ करती थी, उनको बजा बजा के वो म्यूज़िक बनाते थे और आदमी और औरतें दोनों नाचा करते थे. Development of art. The Neolithic man painted and made sketches of animals, birds, men on the walls of many caves. The man also decorated his utensils by carving crude designs on them. Did you know the colors used in the paintings of Neolithic age was prepared by combining manganese, hematite and soft hematite or soft and red stone and charcoal. Sometimes the fat of animals and extracts of leaves were also used in the mixture. Growth of languages. Different languages were evolved for communication, and however people did not know the art of writing, hence no written record of their life. तो उन्हें तो लिखना विखना आता ही नहीं था, तो कोई रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं मिल पाया इस बारे में. डिस्कवरी ऑफ मेटल्स. टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द स्टोन एज अबाउट 4000 BC, men began to use metals along with stone for making tools. Hence the period is known as Chalcolithic age, which is Chalco is equal to copper, lithic is equal to stone. Chalcolithic is एज एट, ये आप इसका आप किस वर्ड से बना है और क्या मीनिंग है. कॉपर, स्टोन. Copper and later bronze and alloy of copper and tin began to be used for making tools, weapons and utensils. In South India, axes and knives made of copper and bronze have been found at many places. For example, Brahmagiri in Mysore and Navada Toli on the Narmada river. Much later, iron was discovered and the age came to be known as Iron Age. It marked the beginning of several early civilizations in some river valleys. So आपने ये सब पढ़ा. अब आप एक केस स्टडी देखिए. इस केस स्टडी में हमें द नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड द नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट का हम लोग देखते हैं. द सिटीज साइट्स ऑफ न्योलिथिक कल्चर हैव बीन फाउंड इन मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया इंक्लूडिंग द नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड द नॉर्थ वेस्ट. Mehergarh and Gul Muhammad along the bank of Bolan river in Kachi plain on the Sindh-Balochistan border now in Pakistan. Sarai Khola and Chaligai in West Punjab now in Pakistan. Burjahum in Kashmir and Kolidihava in the Belan Valley, Uttar Pradesh, and Sarutaru in Assam and Dauja heading in Assam. Mehergarh in Balochistan, now in Pakistan, was the first site to be discovered. The settlement believably dates to 7000 BC. The people were quite advanced. They produced wheat, cotton, etc. and lived in mud brick houses. जो पहले आपको बताया गया था, जो मिट्टी वाली ईंटों से बना हुआ, मिट्टी ईंट से बने हुए घर. Until 5000 BC, however, they did not use any pottery. So, Burjahum, 16 km northwest of Srinagar in Kashmir, also contains some of the distinguished features of Neolithic culture. For example, dwelling pits, a variety of stone tools, bow weapons and clay pottery. But microlith, small stone implements did not exist. People lived on lakeside pits and lived by hunting. fishing and cultivation of wheat and barley. They used weapons made of bones besides polished stone tools. They buried the pet dog alongside the master's grave. जो हम उनके डॉग्स थे ना, उनको भी उनके साथ ही दबा दिया जो उनके मालिक थे. A practice not found elsewhere in India. The site belongs to 2500 BC. Kuldihava in the Belen Valley, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh is another Neolithic site where wild and cultivated rice has been observed. The site belongs to the 6th or 5th millennia BC. Sarutaru lies near Guwahati, Assam. A large number of Neolithic tools, including polished stone axes and hoods, have been discovered here and the adjoining hills of Assam and Garo hills of Meghalaya. These Neolithic people were the earliest farming communities in India. So now, Chalcolithic settlements, these settlements, this age 4000 BC to 2000 BC, which succeeded in the Neolithic age and refers to the period when men began to use copper along with tiny stone implements. The name itself suggests the use of copper chalco along with the stone lithic. The archaeologists have identified the following chalcolithic sites across India. Ahar, this is near Udaipur, and Gilund in southeastern Rajasthan. Kyat, Iran, Naradi, Nawa Datoli, and etc. in Malwa, Madhya Pradesh. Nasik, Jorve, Nevasa, Dayamabad, Chandoli, Sonegaon and Inam Gaon in Maharashtra. Kashumbi, UP, and Brahmagiri, Masaki, Piklihal, Atnur, Sanganakullu, and Peyampally, Hemij, Nagarjuna Konda, Kodaikal, etc. in the Raichur Doab between Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Arekamedu in Tamil Nadu. केस स्टडी लेते हैं एक और नॉर्थ वेस्ट की है. आहार इन द साउथ ईस्टर्न राजस्थान ऑफर्स द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चालकोलिथिक सेटलमेंट एंड द कल्चर इज नोन एज आहार कल्चर ऑल्सो. The mound of our measures 1500 into 800 feet. Ordinary houses were made of mud and stone. Walls were made of bamboo or stone blocks, while roofs were slanting. तो यहाँ पर आपको नाउ फ्लोर्स के बारे में. फ्लोर्स वर मेड ऑफ ब्लैक एंड येलो मड कवर्ड विद द रिवरिन ग्रेवल. नो पिक्यूलियर हाउसिंग प्लान इज़ अवेलेबल दो, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पहले से तो कुछ ऐसा सोचा नहीं जाता था जैसे हमारे आजकल हाउस प्लान होते हैं. वन ऑफ द हाउसेस वाज नियरली 33 feet लॉन्ग. इट वाज डिवाइडेड बाय अ मड वॉल इनटू 2 halves. Some houses have cooking tandoors which are prevalent even today. Microliths were used on a limited scale. Copper was widely used. The Ahar people used to collect copper from mines and smelted it at the house only. They sold copper implements to Madhya Pradesh and Deccan. Among copper objects, rings, bangles, lead needles, knives, blades and shells have been found. Seals, beads and images made of mud have also been discovered. Rice and barley were also cultivated, ये भी उगाया जाता था. And animal bones of fishes, turtles, cocks, cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, deer and pigs have been discovered. ये सारे जानवर वहाँ से डिस्कवर हुए. According to radiocarbon dating, the culture began around 2000 BC. Rajasthan used to be most important center of copper and smelting at that time. Copper is still available in the Khetri mines. One of the most distinctive feature of the Ahar people was their black and red wear decorated with white designs. They also made tools of copper. They had trade relations with their neighboring communities of Malwa and Gujarat, and Chalcolithic people worship Mother Goddess. However, the bull cult was predominant among the Ahar people. सो यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स आपको दिए गए हैं वर्ड ब्रेन के लिए. एब्रप्ट मीन्स सडन एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड. पेव मीन्स टू कवर एन एरिया ऑफ ग्राउंड विद फ्लैट stones. Celt is a prehistoric stone. Bounty is generosity, benefits, and urn is a special container used especially to hold the ashes. एक्सरसाइजेस हैं हमारे पास. एज यूजुअल हमारे पास टिक द करेक्ट आंसर है और 4 ऑप्शंस दी गई हैं. करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको चूज़ करनी है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स अगेन आपको चूज़ करना है करेक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द chapter only. Write true or false. Again you have to identify correct statement and incorrect statement. Answer the following questions briefly and answer the following questions in detail. So briefly आपको पता है क्या करेंगे आप 3-4 sentences में से complete करेंगे but in detail लिखेंगे आप explanations के साथ. And we have skills enrichment zone. Now quick response. The wheel is one of the greatest inventions of early humans, and look at the picture and write few lines on the early wheel and how it is used today. Activity: collect newspapers and magazines, clippings on the discoveries of prehistoric man and paste them in your scrapbook. Out of the box क्या करने वाले हैं आप? How do you think the Neolithic man spent his day? How was work divided between the men and women? जैसे कि आपने देखा वर्क डिवाइड हो जाता था. एंड while searching this बेटा, while answering this have fun, enjoy.